You're watching the Sunbeam Alpine channel. Here we are at Oily Puddles Garage, and hopefully you're enjoying watching the videos. If you do enjoy the videos, please like them and subscribe to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some of the problems that are caused by pattern parts. We found that we were getting severe starting problems with two of our Alpines, and we traced this down to pattern parts that were made outside of the tolerances they should be made. And we'll show you what they were, and hopefully if you have a similar problem, this will help you to overcome it. This is a typical Sunbeam Alpine distributor, a Lucas 25D. Inside the distributor cap you have the 4 electrodes and the central feed. Those electrodes feed the pulse to the spark plug at the right time, making the engine run. As you probably know, the rotor arm spins inside the distributor counterclockwise, and as it passes each of those electrodes, makes your system spark. The tolerance between the electrode and the tip of the rotor arm is very fine. Over time, the spark jumping between the tip of the rotor arm and the electrode in the distributor cap erodes both of the poles away. That's why this is a serviceable item, and you change the rotor arm and the distributor cap regularly. Here are some different rotor arms. This is a Lucas original. Over the years we've changed dozens of these when they've worn out and needed replacing. This is a riveted pattern copy of the Lucas original. Cheaply made, won't last very long, likely to cause you problems. This is another pattern rotor arm, this time made with red plastic. Poor quality, gonna let you down. This is a high quality made in England rotor arm made by Distributor Doctor. These ones are made in the Far East. The one on the left was made in England a long time ago. I would always recommend you buy the highest quality rotor arm that you can, together with the highest quality distributor cap. These might be 3 times the price that you can buy from elsewhere, but it will pay you back because it will start much more easily. The easiest way to compare these rotor arms is to look at the original Lucas and the new Distributor Doctor arm together. Despite the original Lucas one having been used for some time, they are very similar in size. Both are larger than the pattern parts. Here I have the Distributor Doctor rotor arm together with the red pattern part. Look at the difference. It's about 2 millimeters difference there on the end of the rotor arm. And it's the same with the other pattern part. The Distributor Doctor rotor arm and cap are made to much higher tolerances. Same with the other pattern rotor arm. Now, with the pattern rotor arms, we found that the cars were churning and churning before they would start. This is probably because the gap between the tip of the rotor arm and the electrode in the distributor was so large. As soon as we fitted the high quality made in England parts from Distributor Doctor, the car started much more easily. Less churning, just an easy turn the key and start. The car is completely cold. Little bit of choke, showing 12.2 on the voltmeter. And we're immediately running. With the distributor Doctor rotor arm and distributor cap fitted, there's quite a noticeable difference in the size of the sparks at the spark plug. I've tried to show this on the video, but it's not really picked it out very well. We have no connection with Distributor Doctor other than as satisfied customers, but we do recommend their parts. Well, thank you for watching the Sunbeam Alpine channel. I hope you've liked the video. I hope you've subscribed to the channel. We'll come back and see us again soon. There's currently over 120 videos here for you, all dedicated to the Sunbeam Alpine. So until the next time, it's goodbye from Oily Puddles Garage. Goodbye.